Honda Passport 2024. Exclusive to TrailSport models, a new available diffused sky blue paint color, which debuted on the all-new 2024 Pilot TrailSport, highlights its rugged design and adventurous spirit. For narrow trails, Passport TrailSport features power folding mirrors. A heated windshield wiper parking area keeps the wipers from getting stuck in frigid conditions.